This machine is a log maker out of waste products. What we have here...
It's not like rabbit one.
It does. So all we've got here is mixed up paper, threaded paper, and then we're going to put shavings into it. You want to put some shavings in? Add lots of shavings into it. That's it. And more. And some more. That'll do for the moment. Right, what we're going to get now is Kev to mix it.
Daddy gets to do that.
Going to mix it. That's all we're doing.
It's purple.
Yeah. Gonna put some more in.
Yeah. I put some more in when Daddy did it.
Yeah. And some more. So the whole family can get involved in it. Keep more.
And more.
Yeah, and more.
This is the big one.
Yeah.
We're doing it like Daddy did it.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Oh, that's what we're looking for. Now we're going to add some into the wood log.
You're trying to put it in there?
Yeah, and yeah, you record it, I'll do it. So I'm going to record. Right, that's all we're doing. Clogs. Compressor in. Bring the water out. Some more in. We have ourselves one log. We'll do that, leave that for a week or so to dry out. That burned nice. One log. Oh, that's what we're looking for. Now we're going to add some into the wood log.
You're trying to put it in there?
Yeah, and yeah, you record it, I'll do it. So I'm going to record. Right, that's all we're doing. Clogs. Compressor in. Bring the water out. some more in. We have ourselves one log. We'll do that, leave that for a week or so to dry out. That burned nice. One log. Oh, that's me little briquette. Waste paper, sawdust briquette. Now to that, on the tub, I've got 10 bricks. Put them in the conservatory. Put them in the conservatory with a black bag over the top. It's hot in here. I mean, look at it outside, and it's baking in here. So pour a black bag over them, which will get rid of the moisture. There's one I've pre-dried on the radiator. You just pour a black bag over them and get rid of all the moisture, and they'll be dry in a week or so, depending on the weather. Yeah, so just pour a black bin liner over them and just leave them. Let some air get in. That'll soon heat up like an oven. But the idea is to make these in the summer, get a stack of them, and then just store them. So here's my supply paper, shredded paper. There's my shredder.